Good morning, students. So let's start the video of 11th class. In this video we will discuss the complete syllabus. Before the earlier video we will discuss the deleted chapters only, but in this video we will discuss the complete syllabus and how many marks will they carry. So let's start with very starting. I hope after watching this video it's clear to you what is the syllabus and how can you complete it. So let's start. Class 11th 2020-2021 Part A, it carries 40 marks. In this part a reading part is including. It carry 18 marks and it is divided into how multiple choices question based on unseen passages to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. Means in the reading part that carry 18 marks, you have first passage, and in the first passage of the mode of that questions are MCQ. The mode of the questions are MCQ. It has total 11 questions and you have to attempt 10 and it carry 10 marks. Next one is you have the second passage, and in the passage second, multiple choice questions based on one unseen case based factual passage with the verbal, visual inputs like statistical data, charts. 8 out of 9 questions should be done. The same thing in this passage, MCQs are asked to you, and that after you examiner will give you 9 questions and you have to attempt 8, so that the reading part carry 18 marks. The combined word limit for both the passages will be 600 to 750. Next is grammar part. In the grammar part, multiple choice on gap filling, determinants and tenses. In the earlier videos we had completed the tenses topic, and in the next videos we will completing the determinants also. So there are multiple choice questions on gap filling, multiple choice questions on reordering and transformation of sentences. Means rearrangement or transformation of sentences are given to you, and that is divided into 4. Total 8 questions to be done out of the 10 given. Means you have given the 10 questions and you have to attempt total 8 questions that are based on determiners, tenses, reorder and transformation. It's clear to you? Next, literature section. Literature section has carry 14 marks. So let's start how the 14 marks are divided. Multiple choice questions from an extract from poetry from Hornbill to access comprehension and appreciation. Means any out of 2 extract to be done. There are 2 extract and you have to attempt 1, and that carry 3 marks, and that extract is based from the poetry from the Hornbill book of your 11th class. Next is multiple choice question based on 2 prose extract out of 3 given from prose, Hornbill as well as snapshot to access comprehension and appreciation. Means there are multiple choice questions. There are 2 prose extract out of 3. There are 3 phrases are given. There are 3 extract are given from the prose, and you have to solve the MCQs from that 3 proses. At least 2 you attempt, 2 prose or 2 extract. Next, that extractor or that extractors or that MCQ should be asked from the Hornbill book or snapshot book. Both are included, and there are 2 prose and 1 prose carry 3 marks and 2 prose carry 6 marks. Next, text based multiple choice questions to access comprehension, analysis, interpretation from prose and poetry. So 5 questions out of 6 to be done. How many questions to be done? From the prose and poetry, both the questions are asked, and there are 6 questions, and from the 6 you have to attempt 5 questions that carry 5 marks. Next, part B. Now we will discuss part B. In the reading section, part B, the reading section, note making and summarization based on the passage of approximately 200 to 500. Note making and summarization based on approximately 200 to 250 words. Note making, the title carry 1 mark, numbering and indenting carry 1 mark, key and glossary carry 1 mark, notes carry 1 mark. Means in total the note making carry 5 marks, and the summary is including in this question also. You should write down the summary, and that carry 3 marks. Total note making carry 8 marks. Next, writing section. Next is writing section. Short writing task. Notice, writing section carry 16 marks. Notice, writing up to 50 words, 1 out of 2 given questions to be answered, 3 marks. Format 1, expression 1 mark. Next one is short writing task. Poster up to 50 words, 1 out of 2 given questions to be answered, and 3 marks. Poster carry 3 marks. Format 1, content 1, expression 1. Next one is next question. So next question is letter based on verbal visual input to be answered, 120 to 150 words. Business or official letters for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing order and sending replies. Letter to the school or college authorities regarding admission, school issues, requirements, suitability of courses, etc. These are the some topics you should revise for the letter. 1 out of 2 given questions to be answered, and means you have 2 options for the letter, and you have to attempt 1. 5 marks. Letter carry 5 marks, 1 mark for format, and 2 for content and 2 for expression. So that's you get 5 marks if you write down all things, format, content and expression clearly. Next, writing composition based on visual verbal inputs in 120 to 150 words. May be descriptive, argumentative in nature, such as speech and debate. The theme should be contemporary topic issue. 1 out of 2 given questions to be answered. Means you have given 2 questions from the speech and debate part, and that carry 5 marks. Format 1 mark, content 2, expression 2, and you should attempt 1 from that. Next we will discuss literature section that carry total 16 marks. How the examiner divided 16 marks. Now we will see from the question 6th. 2 short answer type questions, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry from the book The Hornbill out of 4. means total you give 4 questions, and from the 4 you had to attempt 2 questions. To be answered in 30 to 40 words, question should elected in inferential responses through critical thinking, means you have to attempt 2 questions, and that 2 questions carry 2 marks, and you have get total 4 marks. Next you have to 7th question, one short answer type questions from prose to be answered in 40 words, and questions should elected inferential responses through critical thinking. Any 1 out of 2 questions to be done, that carry 1 mark. One short answer type question from the prose, means in which book, from the snapshot, answered in 40 to 50 words, and any 1 out of 2 questions should be done, and that you get 2 marks. One long answer type question from the Hornbill book to be answered in 120 toward global comprehension exploration beyond the text. Question to be provide evaluative and analytic responses using incidents, events, themes as references points. Any 1 out of 2 questions should be done from the Hornbill book, and that carry 5 marks. Next one is long answer type questions based on the chapter from the book. Snapshot means one long answer type question asked from the poetry, any prose or poetry from the Hornbill book, and one from the snapshot book. Question to be provide evaluative and analytic responses using incidents, events, themes as reference point, and any 1 out of 2 questions should be asked, and that carry 5 marks. Now we will discuss deleted topics in this video also. First one, writing part. So classified advertisement is deleted from your syllabus. Letter to editor, giving suggestion, opinion on issue, provide a realistic context in the form of newspaper, report, article to which the students may respond. This letter is deleted. Application for a job with a biodata or resume, that is deleted. Next one is article and report writing, that is also deleted. Narrative is also deleted. Grammar, in the grammar modals are deleted, clauses are deleted, change of voice are deleted, error correction is deleted, editing task, clause passage is deleted. And in the literature part from the Hornbill book, father to son poem is deleted, and the adventure chapter is deleted. Next, snapshot. From the snapshot, the Ghat of the Only World and the Tale of Malan City, both the chapters are deleted from the Hornbill book. These are the prescribed book for your syllabus, English reader and snapshot. So by this method we had completed which chapters included and how can the format of the question paper for your next exams. So get ready and write down all your syllabus in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.